Hey guys, welcome back. This is Aishwarya from Digital to Design. In this video, we are going to learn about keyword density, why it's important, and how to check it using online tools. Okay, let's get started. First, let's see what keyword density is. Keyword density is nothing but it refers to how many times a keyword is used in web page content. Keyword density helps search engines determine if your web page is relevant to the keyword. That's why it's important for SEO and ranking. For example, if you've written a 100-word article and used the keyword 3 times, your keyword density would be 3%. On your web page, try to optimize for 2 to 3 keywords per page. If you use more than that, search engines might have trouble deciding which keyword is most relevant to your page. So, it's best to stick to 2 to 3 keywords per page. If you're optimizing your web page or blog post, aim for 1 or 2 keywords per 100 words. For a 1000-word article, you could use your keyword about 10 times, but if you use 10 keywords in a 100-word article, it will sound unnatural. You won't get the results you're expecting, and your site might even be flagged for black hat SEO practices. Whether it's a blog post, service page, or any web page, try to maintain a keyword density of 1 to 2%. This should help you achieve better results in search engine rankings. Now that we understand keyword density, let's look at how to find it using online tools. These tools will help you check keyword density on your own pages as well as your competitors' pages. If your competitors rank higher, you can follow their pattern or improve on it. Today, we're using the keyword density checker from SEOreviewtools.com. I added this website link in this video description. Okay, once you're on the site, in the search bar, you can enter your competitor's URL to check their keyword density. For demonstration, I'll entering my competitor website URL. Now, clear robot check. Okay, here click on Perform Check. Now, we can see the keyword density for that URL. The tool gives a breakdown of each keyword used, along with the percentage and number of times it appears. For example, pads might be used 38 times with a density of 6.68% and sanitary might be used 19 times with a density of 3.34%. This way you can analyze your competitors' keyword density and see how frequently they use certain terms. Let's now check keyword density for my website specific page. For example, I'll take this product page. I'll copy the page link, paste it into the tool, and check its keyword density. According to this tool, all the phrases on the web page are considered as keywords. It shows you how many times each keyword is repeated and the percentage it makes up in the content. By using this method, you can easily analyze both your own and your competitor's keyword density. Now you should have a clear understanding of keyword density and why it's important for SEO. If you need any clarifications or doubts, mention them in comments, and I will answer you as soon as possible. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Digital to Design. I will see you all in the next tutorial. Take care, bye guys.